Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian Phase. Students, tomorrow I am going to complete this lesson. Today, listen here carefully. Yesterday, we saw Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement completed. Today, Subhash Chandra Bose. After the Quit India Movement, Subhash Chandra Bose was under house arrest. Subhash Chandra Bose was under house arrest in March 1941. He tried to escape from the house arrest in 1941 with disguise. Disguise means Maruvedam. With disguise, he escaped from the house arrest and went to Afghanistan. During that period, when he reached Afghanistan, at that time, Soviet Union support also goes to Subhash Chandra Bose. Soviet Union means Russia. Russia support goes to Subhash Chandra Bose in Indian nationalism. So, when Soviet Union support goes to allies, France, Britain and Russia joined together during the time of World War. In the World War, when the Soviet Union support goes to allies, Britain and France, the Subhash Chandra Bose not able to get support from Soviet Russia. After that, Subhash Chandra Bose went to Germany. When he reached Germany, on the way, before reached Germany, on the way, he went to Japan. At Japan, the Indian people, 20,000 people were captured and put into the jail, prison, by the Japanese government. Subhash Chandra Bose negotiated with the Japanese government, and finally Japanese government released these 20,000 people. With the 20,000 people, these people were belonged to Indians, released by Japanese government. So with these 20,000 people, Subhash Chandra Bose started INA. Indian National Army was started by Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian National Army. With the 20,000 people, Subhash Chandra Bose started INA, Indian National Army. The National Army captain was Lakshmi Sehgal. Lakshmi Sehgal was the captain of the Indian Army, Indian National Army. Subhash Chandra Bose recognized 3 brigades, namely, one is Gandhi Brigade, second one is Nehru Brigade, third one is Rani Lakshmi Bai Brigade, Captain Rani Lakshmi Bai Brigade. These brigades were recognized by the Subhash Chandra Bose during that time. Gandhi Brigade, Nehru Brigade and Women Brigade like Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. After that, Subhash Chandra Bose started a provisional government at Singapore. Provisional government was started at Singapore. Subhash Chandra Bose insisted all the Indian people's slogan like Delhi Chalo. When Subhash Chandra Bose tour all over the world, went to for tour all over the world, finally when he returned from Bangkok to Tokyo, at that time Subhash Chandra Bose was killed by the air crash. The people believe that Subhash Chandra Bose died the incidence of air crash, like that. After the death of Subhash Chandra Bose, the British government arrested INA officers, Indian National Army officers, towards freedom. Royal Indian Navy people, Navy revolt, Royal Indian Navy revolt. In the nationalist movement, the Indian three wings like Army, Navy and Air Force, these are all known as three wings. Three wings also involved in the revolt. Royal Indian Navy revolt was started. It was started at Bombay in February 1946. 2000 people were participated in the Royal Indian Navy revolt. Indian Air Force also participated in the Jabalpur in India. Air Force also revolt against the British people. Finally, Indian Army also started the revolt against the British people during that time. Noting, negotiating independence. After the revolt of Navy revolt, the Wavell Plan was started in 14th June 1945. 14th June 1945, Wavell Plan was started. Wavell belonged to British. The Wavell Plan consists of interim government in India. In this interim government, the equal rights were given to the both Hindus and Muslims, and both equal members were distributed to both Hindus and the Muslims during that time in the Wavell Plan. Finally, the members' portfolios were prepared by the government. Portfolio means documents, biodatas of the ministers. These are also prepared during that time. Noted, Simla Conference. In the Simla Conference, both Congress and Muslim League could not come to an agreement. Both Congress and Muslim League were fought against each other. During that time, Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the leader of the Muslims, called for all the Muslim League. He started a Muslim League. Under the Muslim League, he insisted all the Muslim people to veto on all important matters. Veto. Veto means what? Children, negative vote. He said that Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was the leader of Muslim, he said to the Muslim people, veto to all important matters. So all the people followed the veto, negative vote in all the matters. Finally, provincial elections were conducted in 1946. In this election, Congress won the majority. Muslim League won the reserved seats for only Muslims. Reserved seats won by Muslim League. Okay then. listen here carefully, students. Once again, I am going to recall Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, after the Quit India movement, Subhash Chandra Bose under the house arrest in March 1941. With disguise, he escaped from the house arrest and went to Afghanistan. There he got a support from Soviet Union, Russia. When the Soviet Union support goes to allies, Britain and France during the World War, Subhash Chandra Bose went to Germany. On the way, he reached Japan. When he reached Japan, at that time, the 20,000 people were captured. Indian people were captured by the Japanese government and put into the jail. They negotiating with the Subhash Chandra Bose with the Japanese government. These Japanese government were released these 20,000 people. With the 20,000 people, Subhash Chandra Bose started INA, Indian National Army. Indian National Army started by Subhash Chandra Bose. The captain of the Indian National Army was Lakshmi Sehgal. Lakshmi Sehgal was the captain of the Indian National Army. Subhash Chandra Bose recognized 3 brigades. One is Gandhi Brigade, second one is Nehru Brigade, and third one is Women Brigade under the leadership of Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. Next, the provisional government were started by the Subhash Chandra Bose at Singapore. He insisted all the people to slogan like Delhi Chalo. When the Subhash Chandra Bose went to world tour for the national movement for India, at that time when he returned from Bangkok to Tokyo, at that time he was died. People believed that in the air crash he was died, killed. Next, British government, after the Subhash Chandra Bose died, British government arrested INA officers. Indian National Army officers were arrested by British government. Towards freedom, Royal Indian Navy Revolt. Royal Indian Navy Revolt was started at Bombay in February 1946. 20,000 people were participated in the Royal Indian Navy Revolt. Indian Air Force also participated in this at Jabalpur. And finally, the army also participated in the revolt, Indian revolt. Both 3 wings, Army, Navy, Air Force, involved in this revolt. Negotiating independence. The Wavell Plan was started in 14th June 1945. Wavell Plan was started. According to the Wavell Plan, the interim government was started in India. In the interim government, equal members were allotted for Hindus and the Muslims. The Wavell Plan insisted maintain the portfolios for all the ministers. Portfolios also prepared. Next, Simla Conference. The Congress of the Muslim League could not come to an agreement. Muslim League could not come to an agreement in the Simla Conference. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the leader of the Muslim, he insisted all the Muslim people to veto, negative vote. He started a Muslim League was started by the Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and he said to the people to veto on all important matters. Negative vote for all the people by the Muslims. So, finally, provincial election were came in 1946. Election were conducted. In this election, Muslim League won the allotted seats only, reserved seats only, but the Congress won the election. Congress won the majority during that time. Muslim League won reserved seat for Muslims. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students. Tomorrow I am going to complete this lesson. Okay then, see you.